Wait lang. Isa sa mga most na ginagawa ng mga yun, ano, yung mga heavy, nilalabas na agad nila. Binabalik agad nila dito. Kahit mga 4 sila, 3. So, pagdating ng mga 6, siguro 8, siguro mga 3 na rin. Kung marami na siya, masyadong small, doon na in-extract. So, siguro kung majority sa atin nakita na heavy, suggest ko 2 sa atin magbalik. Para, kasi yun din yung malaking value.
It's okay, sir.
Tadangan natin!
Nigger. No.
Teleport? Or can I kick ladder? Yeah, I got it!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yep. You gotta get Vince, what the fuck?
Happy accident. Huwag yun natin pag-usapan.
Good lasso. Saan yung pulo? Supra to. Nice. Not bad. Gold check. Sheesh, 5,000?
1,000?
Masunod siguro natin ang quota.
1,152.
Ako bahala. Ako niyo una.
Nah, wag. No spoil.
Spoil agad.
Cool, Terry.
I'm 25.
Got you.
3-5.
Damn.
Ano yan?
Yung pinakamatanda
3-4. Or 3-5.
3-7.
What the...
You're joking, Mark. You're joking.
Emma?
Oh my god, dami. What the fuck?
Oh my god. Bitch!
It wasn't me.
Fuck you. Bitch,
Nope.
king inaging bag mo ko. May hawak ako na shovel. You bitch.
What?
Nagbag
Huh?
ako. Di nyo kita pero may hawak akong shovel. Hindi ako maka-emote, di ako makahawak, hindi ko ma-lunch. Tangina ka, bitch.
It's okay, Zur.
Wait lang. I got you there.
Hoy, pag ako namatay, malaking bawas natin. Kala mo, ha?
Ayaw nga pala.
Yan, teleport nyo na ulit ako. Pag ito, wala. Wala pa rin. Bro, hindi gumana.
It's okay, Zur.
Well, plans yun, no?
Ba't yung ma-lunch?
Bakit kaya? Ha?
It's okay, sir. Nagtampot. Pambata ang putik. Zor.
Meron. Ano yung monitor? Bakit? Ano tuturo nyo? Yung Vigil? Anong inaano nyo? Terminal? Ano meron dyan?
Naloko yung mga turo ang putik.
Anong inaano nyo? Bola?
Sa kanila.
King ina kayo. What the fuck? Ano yun?
Ang tagal naman nun. May cut na nga. Tapos yung naabutan pa rin yung girl. Puta.
Oh my god. What? Guys, andyan kayo? Come here, over here. Oh my god, he's dead. What the fuck? Akala ko nag-start yung magnet! Ayan.
Naka-start na yun sa
You
Baguio
okay,
clearance.
Ay, oh! Oh!
Sir?
Oo, hindi
Kala
man.
niya na yan. Sorry sa'yo, Mark.
Ka pa ba?
Oo.
Yan.
Yaman.
Reset mo na.
Restart ba daw? Ah, first day pa daw? Oy, Rich, umuwi ka.
Di siya makawin.
Nyong. Nyong.
Ay, gago!
Reset, gago.
Reset.
Sir?
We got good. We got good.
Yung hayop.
Hindi save, yun lang.
Saan yung isang jetpack?
Hindi ko alam. Oh, wala.
Vince.
Ay, what? Parang hindi nag-jetpack sa Vince.
Oo.
Wala?
Ito man yun.
Di ba isa lang ginamit mo, sir?
Oh, yun. Yung ginamit mo.
What?
Tangina, we got rubbed.
Ay, gago, andito sa inventory ko. What the fuck?
King, inang yan.
Hindi ko kasi makita. Grabe yung visibility.
What the fuck? That is... Mirror.
Wala.
Yeah, fly.
Pumunta dyan.
Oh,
Hindi habulin si Mark. Yup, habulin pa rin si Mark. Uy, nawala?
ay, sa kaliwa niya. Wala siya makita na ano, kundi siya makalan. Malapit kay Merc.
No.
Ah, he found one.
What?
Inapakan.
May dalawang lang.
Alright. Pinapatay pa yung giant.
What?
Tama, kill a giant. Where the fuck is this giant?
You what?
I'm gonna kill a giant.
You're gonna suck a giant?
Fuck your mom.
The hell, so?
Over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. That is scary. No. No, 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 no. You, why are you here? Oh god. I'm taking care of it now. No. Don't even think that. Do that? No. Don't. I can. Vince, shut up. Bitch! I can hear you. Please, not now, not now. Who's the boy? Who's the boy? Oh shit. No, no, no. It's nothing, it's nothing. Boy! Nag-aalaga naman ni Sir! Oh my god, oh, you gotta be shitting me.
So,
Hey man, wanna take care of this? I'll put you down. You wait there, right? You wait, you wait.
Lord.
Oh my god, you gotta be shitting me. Alright, alright. Come here, come here, come here. No, no, no. No, I'm sorry, baby. I'm gonna miss you. Bye-bye. Oh, man. But thanks.
Go straight, go here, and then go left, and then wala dito.
Where my radar? Strike me, Zeus! I command you! Not you! Strike me! Lightning! Lightning! No, not you! Yan. Anyway, labas ko muna to. That's bullshit. What? Oh, that's not.
May ano dun, may nag-wind up na... Tabi!
Puta ka. Yeah, sucker. Like this or something. Nope. Not bad. Follow me up here. Holy shit, not that far. Can you come find me here? Hello? What mask? Mask? On your face. Can you see me? Hello? Hello? Yeah, go over here. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh, man.
Sa pa, sir, sa pa, sa pa.
What? Whoa. Hina ka. Rich! Putek na to. Bahala ka dyan.
Yo! Yo!
Huh, okay. Well, everyone is dead. So, wait, what the fuck? Oh, yun. Hey man. Hey. What's up man? Chilling? Yeah, me too. How's it hanging? Oh shoot. Saan yun? Ah. Hello my friend. One.
Ang bilis naman.
On gold.
Cash. Nice.
Is he alive?
Wala na yan. Right tayo. Ay, may gold?
Yep.
Pero hindi na kayo nagre-record sa gold ah.
Normal na eh. Tamo, dami nating gold dun, gagi.
Ah?
Ay, putik na yan. Oh my god, Mark, I'm gonna die. Good luck.
Yeah.